Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, we're actually going to be doing the Makeup Revolution Velvet Lip Crayons swatches and review, guys. New to my channel, my name is Michelle, and my passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and to save some money. So if you enjoy videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide us as much value for you guys. So I really appreciate all your support. You guys wanted to find out if these lip crayons from Makeup Revolution are actually worth to have or worth to get it at a very affordable prices. Please keep on watching. Purchased this from Beauty Bay, and they actually come in 12 shades. Retail for $8.25 Australian dollars. Also purchased this from Revolution Beauty. Naming are, these are a smooth crayon. Get the precision of a pencil with the coverage of a lipstick with the Velvet Kiss lip crayons, with a smooth buildable formula that lets you decide the intensity. The crayons effortlessly sweep pigment over the lips for a sheer finish or layered up for a real statement lip. Featuring a creamy 9 drying formula that keeps feeling hydrated, the crayons include a built-in sharpener so your looks stay fresh on the go. And these are actually vegan and cruelty free, guys. The vampire, guys. So as you can see, it is a crayon. I think it reminds me of the Maybelline lip crayons, guys. That's how much is it, guys. Oh, it's all the way out. So that's how much you're getting. Easy to glide on, guys. Okay, it's actually very smooth when I've actually applied it on my lips. It's the built-in sharpener, guys. This is the see if it's transfer proof, guys. I mean, it's a very creamy. Okay, it's definitely not transfer proof, guys. Mine's actually still sitting perfectly on my lips, guys. I like this shade, guys. It's a pretty nice shade. Lip crayons from Makeup Revolution, guys. It's definitely worth to have it, guys, or worth to buy it. First, it's actually easy to apply on the lips. It glides on very easily, and it actually doesn't leave your lips drying, leaving that lips very moisturized, so it feels really comfortable on the lips. It's not transfer proof. You're still leaving that lipstick on the same way you've actually applied your lip crayon, so that's actually a bonus. They're actually really good to have it, guys, and plus they're very affordable. So get these from Priceline, but I just can't find them from their website anymore, guys. So just check it out on your local Priceline if they do keep the Makeup Revolution range. I actually did help you out today, and that way you'll be able to save some money. Please comment down below guys if you used these lip crayons before and which one's your favorite shade, and let me know also guys what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.